Weintek's 3218XP, the HMI screen built with bigger is better in mind. So, the question is, why do I need a text-to-size display? Well, let's talk about it. Just so we can grasp the scale of how big this HMI is, my Tesla Model 3, the screen, it's coming at about 15.4 inches. But when we compare it to the 3218, it's coming at a massive 21.5 inches. That is a massive jump. This is a spec sheet. Just to have it all in one place, for those of you who appreciate it, this is what the HMI comes with. 1920 by 1080 full HD display, 1000:1 contrast ratio with 8-bit true color, built-in CAN bus with support for CANopen, CAN 2.0 AB, and SAE J1939, IP66 rated front panel, and NEMA 4 certified. Under the hood, you have a quad-core RISC processor, 2 GB of RAM, 4 GB of internal flash. That's more than enough to handle all of the complex tasks within your projects. So, how does this dominating spec sheet translate to real life? Well, spoiler, it's kind of great. So first, the design. This one's full metal jacket. We're talking aluminum enclosures, sharp corners, tempered glass. This one's kind of in a class of its own, and I love it. This is what I'd expect of a device. It's basically made for an industrial setting. On the back here, we can see that there's a variety of mounts that you can use. And that is especially nice, as this thing is coming at about 12.1 pounds or 5.5 kilograms. In the box, you're also provided with all the mounting hooks and screws for control blocks, if you so choose to tuck this beautiful machine away. However you choose to display it, at least you'll know it'll always be visible. Well, as long as you're within the 89-degree field of view. Throw this in a control room, a lobby, or any large space, and you can set it up as a self-service kiosk, digital signage, and obviously a machine control. The size and the build and the sheer image quality, it's just an amazing setup for pretty much any project you want to throw at it. I think it's really interesting that the use cases really expand once you really take in the size of this HMI alone. I think I can speak to a lot of engineers, especially in this industrial automation space, that we tend to prioritize function over form. And to be clear, rightfully so. But given that this device was meant to be seen by more than just the operator and the designer, let me just say that form is just as important as function. There's thousands of UI toolkits out there. It's time that we move on from flag colors and clunky buttons. Fun fact, these are all custom objects built in Figma. If you're feeling bold, this is also the best shorts or reels monitor that you can use, and you can truly kick back and waste an unbelievable amount of time. Let's be honest, your eyes are going to be all over this HMI all the time. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. How you guys feel about the 21.5-inch display, what projects seem interesting to you, what are the use cases you guys have, and that will be all for this video. Thank you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one.